Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Welcome to the holiday season on this YouTube channel because I am so ready to bring you guys all of the gift guides. I do these every single year. They range from gifts that you would give your husband to your kids to your coworker to a white elephant exchange. I like to do a broad range of recommendations, but also I do different price ranges. I do under $15, which is today's, under $25, under $35, under $50 for men. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already. Today we're kicking it off with smaller gifts, stocking stuffers, and also really good deals that are regular size gifts under $15. Everything is from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below. You can also check out my Amazon shop for all the categories and even more recommendations. And follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I do stories on there, quick deals, things like that. I'm gonna be doing gift guides probably every single week until Christmas. I'll link all my holiday decor down below. I think that's everything I have to say. Let's jump into it. Amazon has some really good Sunny Clever lookalikes. I have an entire page over on my Amazon shop, but I found this 3-pack. Each of them comes out to be $8 and they are perfect for splitting up into individual gifts. I think these are adorable. They're super trendy. I literally just took this out of my tote bag because I use this for my daughter. You can always do something like this. There's ones that say baby, mama, like all kinds of things. Very inexpensive. I think these will be a top seller for sure. I'm so glad my husband reminded me to show you all this because I keep forgetting because it was in the freezer. This is a $9 silicone popsicle mold and Olivia is already obsessed. I made her. Yeah, so they get out super easily because they're silicone at the bottom, so you just pop them right out. I stuck a little cupcake liner at the bottom so she could eat them and she loved it. And it doesn't take too much space in the fridge. I love the fact that I can stick these in the dishwasher. They're super aesthetically pleasing. All right, y'all, this is my favorite stocking stuffer slash gift idea because you only have to spend a little over $15, but you get 8 pieces. So it comes out to be $2 per bag when it's bigger, and it can be kind of like a little small makeup pouch, skincare, anything. And then you also have a pencil case, so perfect if you have a large friend group, if you have a lot of cousins, if you're gifting to a bunch of people and you want to kind of be on a budget but still give them something useful and cute. These are super trendy. They're even unisex, honestly. I think the colors can work for both. Such a good price for how many you get. So you can divide these up and they'll be $2 each. These beauty sponges are way better in my opinion than any of the beauty blender ones, and you get 5 different ones for only $9. And also the box that it comes in, I don't know if y'all can see, is so cute. All you need to do is add like a gift tag if you don't want to wrap it. I think it's adorable. They have all the features of each one. Okay, I'm calling it now. I know this will be a bestseller. This is just the best idea ever, and it's something that is great to gift because when they need it, they'll think of you, and it's just perfect. And it's only $10. I love the fact that it comes with a bag explaining exactly what it is. You can just stick this inside a stocking or add it bigger gift or something like that. I think this is perfect. I can't tell you how much I've been wanting these, and this was the perfect excuse. I gave this to my friend for her wedding. It was like before she went on her honeymoon. Today I was like, hey, can I borrow it real quick? Because I had one that was kind of similar. I have no idea where it is. So this is a cute little travel jewelry case. Hers is velvet and monogram because her name is Allison and my name starts with an F and they don't have that. They also have plain ones without any initials, but these are perfect gifts for girlfriends, mother-in-laws. It has spots for rings, earrings, and then you can put like necklaces. You can also take this off, and I love the fact that this one has a mirror, and I'm pretty sure this opens. Yep. How cute. Everyone say thank you to Allison for letting me show this because I had to. I think it's a great gift. Contrary to popular belief, I actually love getting socks for Christmas. There's nothing I hate more than buying socks. And this time of year, these like cozy, super soft socks are the best ones. This one comes in so many different color variations. Also, these heavily remind me of the Barefoot Dreams socks. They're super soft and plush. 7 pairs for only $11. This is one of those things where you can divide divide it up, use it as stocking stuffers, or do one big little gift. You can do self-care baskets and not spend a ton of money. You can even do like 2 of these with a bath bomb and a little like body soap or bubbles. I think that would be so adorable. I love these. I'm definitely keeping all of these myself, if you were wondering. This right here was a top seller from all my gift guides last year, and it's basically a piggy bank, but it's electric and it counts or keeps track of how much money you have inside, which I think it's the best idea ever. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, so I feel like if you customize it, it would be even more meaningful and cute. Putting like vacation fund, honeymoon fund, I don't know, this would be cute. Savings to go places, for college, I don't know, for your new car. Obviously it's not super cute, but I think it's so useful. If you want to go the cute route, there's so many of these kind of like novelty piggy banks. They obviously don't count it. Another thing that I find to be such a good stocking stuffer are these super trendy and fun air fresheners. They come in a pack of 8 for $10. I have the Evil Eye in my car as we speak. They smell good and they're so fun. I love the fact that they're pink, but y'all, there's so many off Amazon. You can do Harry Styles, they have Bad Bunny, they have Drake, so many fun ones, and they're so affordable. Another very inexpensive idea that I'm sure anyone would love are these little mini waffle makers. You can also get a mini griddle, and they also have ones that instead of like the waffle shape, they make like little shapes like a pumpkin or something like that. I just have this teal one that I actually got as a gift myself. These are $10 or less. I cannot wait to show my cousin that I got this. My cousin used to have one in her house growing up, and my uncle would never let me play with it. It was like a very nice one. This one is on Amazon. It's $12 for anyone, a co-worker. This would be cute for like a white elephant, obviously depending on your budget. I feel like this is gonna be great for me to de-stress. As you can see, I'm already distracted. There's a ton of different options, a ton of different price points. This one, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, feels pretty cheap, but I wanted to keep it under $15. One of my favorite gifts for most people are these can coolers, specifically the skinny ones. Not only do they serve for hard seltzers like White Claws and Trulies, but also you can use these for energy drinks. That's what we mostly use them for. This was in the top sellers month after month, and after Christmas and after gift guides, and it was probably in the top 5 of the entire year last year. This car registration holder, I'm obviously not going to open it for very obvious reasons, but you're supposed to keep it in your glove compartment with all your insurance information. It comes in different colors. Everyone loves it. It's so useful. Great stocking stuffer. And then same idea, I think this is so useful. This is a USB lighter. You just recharge it. I think this is the best thing to have, and even if they already have one, they can always do more. Please listen to me, because you might be thinking, Philo, you done lost your mind, no one's gonna want this, and you're wrong. This is a laser leveler. It's truly like one of my favorite products and one of my most used products. You might think like this is only good for guys. Wrong. I wish I would have had this when I was single, when I lived alone, instead of having to call my dad every 5 minutes to come hang things for me. This makes hanging stuff so easy, so much quicker, and this is $10. So stick this in everyone's stocking stuffer. Just thank me later, because I feel like this is a necessity. A very cute stocking stuffer idea are these candlesticks. They come in different packs. I think this is just like a basic 3-pack that I got for none other than $12. You can get them all gold, you can get black and gold, you can get all black. They have different size packs, but they're all very inexpensive. A perfect smaller gift. You can always combine this with flameless candles. I actually have some to show y'all. Or you can do, these are from Crate and Barrel last year. I think this would be really cute. Or you can combine this with like a lighter, like one of those USB lighters. A lot of people assume that electric wine openers are pretty expensive, and I guess like the nicer ones are, but this one, y'all, is under $15. I've had it for 2 or 3 years now. It works so well. It charges really well. Like we barely have to charge it, and I freaking love it. And it comes with this little stand that you can use to cut up the little wax seal for the wine bottles. So there you have it, like a super easy, inexpensive gift idea for literally anyone of age that likes to drink wine. It's gonna be a little hard to see these, but if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know I am says with these little espresso cups. These I use because I never drink like an espresso shot as is, so I love the fact that it has a pour on both sides so I can do a little iced latte. And these I used to use with my Nespresso machine, and they are double walled so they don't get super hot. You can usually find these in a set. There's all kinds of different ones. I got this around this time last year and I think it was such a hit, and then it became super popular with TikTok. These are just tissue box covers, great for a little stocking stuffer. I actually gave it to one of my friends like as her inside her wedding day gifts, because I think gifting tissues like for wedding festivities is adorable. And you can always DIY this. You can put Mrs. whatever. This is one of my top gift recommendations this year because of the influx of influencers and TikTokers and all that. I feel like doing videos of yourself, filming yourself doing something, even cooking, cleaning, whatever, has become so popular. So this is a great gift. It comes with a Bluetooth remote that you connect to your phone so you can take pictures. It's less than 15 bucks, fits a phone, and then you can take this off and put a camera, especially for younger people, teenagers, people, you know, into TikTok. Great idea. Once again, these aren't technically under 15 as a whole, but if you divide them up, they will be. Price really fluctuates. They can be anywhere from $35 to $29. So many different ones. You can get them more neutral ones. I love the little strawberries on these. These are ceramic berry colanders. Crate & Barrel also sells a really good size one. Here is one from Crate & Barrel for size comparison, and I feel like Crate & Barrel has like a reputation of being super pricey, which most things are, but these are actually $13, so not bad. A huge size. Cold brew coffee makers have like a reputation for being pretty pricey. It's usually on sale. I highly recommend for anyone obsessed with coffee or wanting to save a little bit of money. I feel like this is so good, and you can always combine it with like really nice coffee beans. Whole Foods has a ton of really good ones, or a coffee grinder as well. I think this is a great, really nice gift. One of my favorite stocking stuffers for years now have been these little Himalayan salt night lamps. I think they're so cute. They look very expensive. They're nice and heavy, but also they give out like the most beautiful like warm light. Actually, like we used to use these when Olivia was a newborn. Very inexpensive, and they work really well. I wanted to recommend any sort of like novelty salt and pepper shakers for a stocking stuffer or like a smaller gift alternative, because usually you can find them for less than $15. They're so cute, and it's one of those things where even if they already have salt and pepper shakers in their house, they'll still use them and change them out, and they just are so darn cute. Same idea with butter dishes, with tea or dish towels, coasters, or anything home related. You can even do like oven mitts. You can combine them. They're just so cute, very functional, very thoughtful, and they almost serve as decor. Like this one is from H&M, $10. This one is Anthropologie, $14. So you don't have to break the bank. Definitely look for a sale. I just talked about these like 5 minutes ago because they were the number 4 bestseller for the past month, but I do think this would make a great gift if you're giving it to someone that would use them, because there's so many fake nails in this kit for $12. I think you get 800 different colors, a great size and length. You can always get something longer if that's what they're into, but even if they don't wear fake nails on the reg, I still think this is a good gift, because what if they have like a really special event, last minute thing, they don't have time to get their nails done, they can just pop these on. So just saying, I think this would be cute, especially for someone that uses them. Like I said, I usually almost always wear these, and they're amazing. Okay, hear me out, because at first glance you might be thinking, Philo, what a losery gift. Like, people are gonna hate this. This is worse than getting socks for Christmas. Yes, and this is not a standalone gift, obviously, but I feel like as a stocking stuffer or like an addition to an existing gift, this is great. These are for cleaning mirrors, glass, anything like that, and all you need is this and water. That's it, and it leaves them spotless. Like, I don't use anything else. I don't even buy Windex anymore. These are for cleaning stainless steel appliances. Same idea. These come in a 2-pack for $9. This one is by the same brand as this one, and you can buy like a bulk pack of everything. But they might think it's losery and like, why would my aunt give me this? They might think that, but when they start cleaning with this, they're gonna be like calling you up like, oh my god, you changed my life. And then you're gonna thank me for giving you this idea. So you're welcome. No, but seriously, 10 out of 10. And if you don't own these, get some for yourself. So guys, that is it for today's video. However, this is not the end of the recommendation, especially not for under 15, just because I did kind of like my master list in today's video, but I will keep adding to my Amazon storefront under that category every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know who you're shopping for. I'll try to do my best to recommend things for those people. So comment down below who you need help shopping for, what's your budget, all that good stuff. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.